For centuries, Uranus was considered one of the most ordinary planets in the solar system. A distant blue-green world. Cold, quiet, featureless. A giant planet slowly orbiting the Sun nearly 3 billion kilometers from Earth. Compared to the raging storms of Jupiter, the majestic rings of Saturn, or even the powerful winds of Neptune, Uranus seemed almost boring. It barely changed. Its atmosphere appeared calm. Its clouds were difficult to see. For decades, scientists assumed they already understood it. Then better telescopes arrived. More powerful observations, new computer models, and suddenly, Uranus began behaving in ways nobody expected. Its weather became more active. Its magnetic field made little sense. Its interior appeared strangely cold. Its seasons proved unlike anything seen elsewhere in the solar system. And hidden beneath its pale blue clouds may lie one of the strangest planetary interiors ever discovered. Something unusual is happening inside Uranus. Something that may force scientists to rethink how entire planets evolve. To understand the mystery, we first need to appreciate just how unusual Uranus really is. Most planets spin like tops. Their rotation axes remain roughly upright compared with the plane of their orbit around the Sun. Earth is tilted by about 23 degrees, Mars by about 25, Jupiter only slightly. But Uranus is different. Its rotation axis is tilted by approximately 98 degrees. The planet is essentially lying on its side. Imagine rolling a globe across a table instead of spinning it. That is remarkably close to how Uranus rotates. No other major planet behaves quite like it. For decades, scientists have suspected that this extraordinary tilt resulted from a colossal collision early in the solar system's history. Perhaps a young protoplanet several times the mass of Earth slammed into Uranus billions of years ago. The impact may have completely reoriented the planet, changing its seasons forever. If that hypothesis is correct, Uranus carries the scars of one of the most violent collisions ever experienced by a major planet. But the strange behavior does not stop with its tilt. One of the biggest mysteries lies deep beneath the clouds. Like its neighbor Neptune, Uranus belongs to a class known as the ice giants. Despite the name, these worlds are not giant balls of ordinary ice. Instead, scientists believe their interiors contain enormous quantities of water, ammonia, and methane compressed under extraordinary pressures. As pressure increases, these familiar substances begin behaving in unfamiliar ways. Water may exist as superheated fluid. Exotic high-pressure phases may form. Atoms arrange themselves into structures never naturally encountered on Earth's surface. The deeper you descend, the stranger the physics becomes. Yet Uranus presents a puzzle unlike any other giant planet. It appears to generate remarkably little internal heat. That may sound unimportant, but in planetary science, it is astonishing. Jupiter radiates more energy than it receives from the Sun. So does Saturn. Neptune also emits significantly more heat than sunlight alone provides. Their interiors remain active, warm, dynamic. Uranus does not. Measurements suggest it releases only a tiny amount of excess heat, almost none. It is as though the planet somehow shut off its internal furnace. No one knows exactly why. Perhaps the ancient collision disrupted the planet's interior. Perhaps layers inside Uranus became arranged in ways that trap heat rather than allowing it to escape. Some researchers propose that different materials separated into stable layers, preventing efficient convection. Imagine placing oil above water. The layers remain separated. Heat struggles to circulate. If something similar exists inside Uranus, enormous amounts of ancient heat may still be trapped beneath the outer layers, locked away for billions of years. If true, the planet's quiet appearance could be deceiving. Deep inside, Uranus may still contain vast reservoirs of energy hidden beneath a stable outer shell. And then there is the magnetic field. Every introductory science class teaches that planetary magnetic fields usually resemble giant bar magnets. North, south, simple. Earth's magnetic field is not perfect, but it is reasonably well aligned with the planet's rotation. Jupiter follows a similar pattern. Uranus does not. Its magnetic field is bizarre. Instead of emerging neatly from the planet's center, it is dramatically tilted and offset. The magnetic poles wander far from the rotational poles. The entire magnetic field appears lopsided, almost as though someone installed the dynamo in the wrong place. As Uranus rotates, this unusual geometry creates one of the most complex magnetic environments in the solar system. Charged particles behave differently. Radiation belts change. Magnetic interactions become extraordinarily complicated. Scientists believe the strange magnetic field may originate not deep in the core, but within shallower electrically conducting layers surrounding the interior. If correct, Uranus generates magnetism in a fundamentally different way than Earth or Jupiter. Another reminder that this planet refuses to follow familiar rules. Even its atmosphere has surprised astronomers. For many years, Uranus appeared almost featureless. Voyager 2, the only spacecraft ever to visit the planet, flew past in 1986. At the time, the hemisphere facing the Sun looked relatively calm. Scientists wondered whether Uranus simply lacked dramatic weather. Then the seasons changed. Unlike Earth, Uranus requires 84 years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Each season lasts more than 2 decades. As sunlight gradually shifted across the planet, astronomers began detecting something unexpected. Storms, bright cloud systems, powerful winds, atmospheric activity increasing dramatically. The quiet planet was not quiet at all. It had simply been observed during an unusually calm period. Modern telescopes now routinely monitor evolving weather patterns across Uranus. The planet is far more dynamic than Voyager revealed. And perhaps the greatest mystery of all lies in what we have not yet seen. No spacecraft has returned since Voyager 2. Not one. Everything humanity knows firsthand about Uranus comes from a single flyby lasting only a few hours. Imagine trying to understand Earth's climate from one airplane flight. One afternoon, one snapshot. That is essentially our situation. Entire decades have passed without another close inspection. Meanwhile, telescopes continue revealing new puzzles. Unexpected storms, changing atmospheric chemistry, seasonal transformations, strange interior models, exotic magnetic behavior. Each discovery raises more questions than answers. Some scientists even suspect that Uranus may contain forms of matter impossible to reproduce for long on Earth. Extreme pressures could transform carbon into diamonds. Laboratory experiments suggest that under ice giant conditions, carbon atoms may crystallize and sink deeper into the planet. Diamond rain, a concept that sounds almost mythical, yet one supported by the extraordinary physics governing these distant worlds. Whether Uranus truly experiences diamond rain remains uncertain, but it illustrates just how alien its interior may be. This is not simply a colder version of Earth. It is a fundamentally different type of planet, a world where chemistry, pressure, gravity, and temperature combine to create environments beyond ordinary imagination. And perhaps that is why Uranus has become increasingly important to planetary scientists. Not despite its mysteries, but because of them. Understanding Uranus could help explain thousands of similar planets now being discovered around other stars. Ice giants appear to be among the most common types of planets in our galaxy. Yet our own solar system contains only 2, Uranus and Neptune. If we wish to understand the broader population of planetary systems, we must first understand these nearby examples. And right now, Uranus remains one of the least explored major planets we know. Perhaps the strangest reality is this: one of the largest worlds in our own solar system, a planet 4 times wider than Earth, containing enough volume to hold more than 60 Earths, still hides some of its greatest secrets beneath a layer of pale blue clouds. Secrets about planetary formation, magnetic fields, atmospheric evolution, and the mysterious interior that refuses to behave the way scientists expected. Something unusual is happening inside Uranus, not because the planet suddenly changed, but because humanity has finally developed the tools to notice how extraordinary it was all along. And somewhere beneath those cold blue skies, deep below the clouds where sunlight never reaches, an alien world continues quietly keeping one of the solar system's greatest mysteries.